pwede may maghilom lang. O dili, muadto na lang mi ni Marcos. Kaya amigo man mi. But then, karon sa politics, Pilipinas, walay lain. Ang ginabangga nila kang Marcos, akura, wala na'y liberal, wala na'y nasyonalista. Ang problema na kasakitan na, at alam ni Presidensya, wala kaming away. But for the sake na sabihin mo, kailangan may opposition, then I would gladly take the role as an opposition. Not to destroy the President, but to be there just to see to it that everything is followed and everything is done correctly. Hindi yan targeted kay Presidente. Kaibigan kami.